So it's not even that hot right now. It's about 84 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius, but it's very humid. So I am feeling like pretty sweaty. So I'm gonna show you guys one more thing at the park, and then I'm gonna go back home and sit in the air conditioning. When it comes to China, feel free to put anything down in the comments below, because I love this place, and a lot of people in America had a lot of different questions for me. They're like, hey, do you guys have Italian food? Do you have pizza? Do you have this? Do you have that? How do people feel about you? Feel free to ask down below. I could even make a video to try and answer all these questions. Or, you know, just I'll let you know how it is in the comments section. But again, feel free to ask me any questions you want to know, because this place is awesome and I'd love to tell you guys about it. So over there was the drone station. If you guys wanted to get deliveries while you're at the park, you can get it there. But it's turned into quite a tourist attraction. So there's a ton of like foreigners, Korean people mostly. And now there's one more cool thing, and that is the marriage market. The marriage market is like right over here, but I feel really uncomfortable filming there. So I can't promise you any good footage. So yeah, that marital market is pretty cool, and if you ever go to Shenzhen, you should check it out. But it is a little bit uncomfortable because people are trying to make deals. They're trying to, like, I wouldn't say sell, but they're trying to broker marriages between their sons and daughters. So if you go in there as a tourist and just pull out your camera, it's not the best thing to do, but definitely hard not to do. And I'm sure that there's tons of people that do it because it's right next to the drone station. And when I was at the drone station, there was about 40 Korean people in a giant group. So I don't know if they went from the marital market over to the drone station or not. But anyway, I'm sweaty. I'm getting ready to go home, and I'm gonna go watch a movie. So yeah, it's time for me to take a taxi. I'm gonna get a nice air-conditioned taxi with a bottle of water, and it's gonna cost me about $4. That's awesome. You know what I mean? You can't beat it. $4, I'll get a bottle of water and have a nice, like, comfortable taxi home. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Maybe I'll reset when we go to the movies. Anyway, hasta. Here's a little map of the park. We've got the dating corner, or the marital market. We've got the drone section right here. Then we've got this area here is where all the kites are. And then I walked over here. So I just kind of stayed in this little path here, but I did do it exploring today. It's too hot. I'll come back another day. One thing you'll notice is that all the cars are so silent because they're all electric. So you're not going to hear any motors. The only sound you're going to have is the sound of the tires on the road.
Jump out. The first time I see a ticket jump out of the machine.
Huh? 4D? No, you didn't. I hate 4D. You're lying to me, right?
I'm lying.
Jesus. So we are at the best movie theater. This movie theater is kind of small rooms, but you can lay down. The seats are really comfortable. And it's not IMAX, but it's good. Six.
How 吃吗？
好吃太冷。